Hello friends! Welcome you all to this new video about the usage of lists in Python. First things first, how to create a list in Python. It is as simple as printing Hello World in Python. So open your editor and follow my instructions. Congratulations! You have just created a list in Python. Now towards the advanced stuff. Well, now you are going to learn how to add elements to a list and the way to remove them from that list. To add an element to a list, you should use the .append method as shown. Meanwhile, to remove an existing element from a list, you have to use the .del method. Lists are widely used when we have to store multiple items in a single variable. And they are used in almost every industry in the world, including game development and software development. That's all for this video. Hit the subscribe button and the like button. This is the MDpedia, the ideal place for you to learn programming.